and Cat's Picnic by Jolly Phonics. Hen and Cat. Cat and hen pack a picnic. Snacks, dip, cress, and 10 mints in a tin. A pack is stick a red hat. Hen and cat skip and track and pant and sit. Hen picks a snack. Crisp. Cat sits and drips. A sad, damp cat.